Zora Traveller. Chapter 1. A world left behind. Zora, a 32-year-old astronaut, awakens from cryosleep aboard his spacecraft as it approaches Earth. He reflects on the vibrant civilization he left behind 2 years ago, recalling the peace and technological marvels of his people, and eagerly waits to share the news of new suitable planets found for potential colonization. As he prepares for re-entry, he notices unusual readings on his instruments, hinting at drastic changes on the planet below. Chapter 2. The silent homecoming. Zora's spacecraft lands in a desolate area where a thriving city once stood. He emerges to find a world devoid of human life, the silence deafening. As he explores the immediate surroundings, he discovers decaying infrastructure and overgrown vegetation, realizing with growing horror that far more than 2 years have passed. Zora finds a still-functioning satellite to connect via his ship and learns that 200 years have elapsed during his voyage. Chapter 3. Echoes of the Past. Determined to understand what happened, Zora ventures into the ruins of the nearest city. He encounters massive human sculptures, now weathered and partially buried, which he recognizes as the foundations for what future civilizations would modify into animal sculptures. This discovery triggers memories of his civilization's artistic achievements and prompts Zora to search for more familiar landmarks. Chapter 4. The power of the cylinder. Zora's journey leads him to the remains of the Great Cylinder, once the cornerstone of his civilization's sustainable energy network. He marvels at their enduring structure, recalling how they harnessed renewable energy to power entire continents. As he explores the interior of one cylinder, he finds traces of last survivors' attempts to understand and repurpose the technology, deepening his sense of loss and the passage of time. Chapter 5. The Council's Last Message. In the ruins of the capital city, Zora discovers a sealed chamber that once housed the Council of Elders. Inside, he finds a recorded message explaining the gradual decline of their civilization due to complacency and over-reliance on technology. The message reveals that Zora's mission was part of a last-ditch effort to find new resources and reinvigorate their society, but it came too late. This revelation shakes Zora's understanding of his purpose and the true nature of his mission.